Every month it's the same thing. Money comes in and somehow disappears faster. I'm working, but I'm not moving. How long can someone struggle like this?
You've been quiet lately.
I'm just thinking.
Thinking won't change anything if what you're doing isn't working. Maybe you need to try something new. Not fast, just different.
I'm tired of trying. I want something that actually changes my life. How do I fix my financial imbalance? I can't continue with this situation like this. I started Forex with nothing. Now look at my life. Wow, this is the kind of life I want. How can I have this kind of money? Forex trading, maybe this is the game changer. How does this Forex industry walk? Let me look for this guru. I have made up my mind to learn Forex trading. Been seeing Forex everywhere. How does it really work? Forex is an opportunity. You buy, you sell, you compound. But most people don't take it seriously. Can someone really make money from this? Yes, but only those who commit. I want to learn. I want that life. I can train you. If you follow closely, you can see results fast.
Fast? That's what I need. I'll give myself 1 to 2 months and I'll be rich.
If you are serious, you can start making real money in 1 month.
Really? That's awesome!
Absolutely. However, for me to train you, you must pay the sum of $200 only, and I will show you all my working strategies. $200, this is a lot for me right now. Nonetheless, it is an investment in my future. How can I send the money? Send the money to my wallet. Let me send you the link right now. Check your phone.
I have sent the money. When are we starting the training?
Right away.
Perfect. Please, I need to start making real money. I am tired of my current state.
You are about to change your financial life. Forex is an industry that rewards quickly because of its volatility. However, it can also kill you in 1 day. This is the truth many Forex gurus won't tell you earlier. Because 10% of your success comes from understanding the technicals, while 90% comes from your psychology to the market. Your mind must first attune to the reality of the market. First rule, protect your capital.
Okay, but when do we start making money?
When you have accepted that losses are inevitable in the Forex market. These words will make more sense to you in the long run. Forex money is exchanged for patience and discipline.
That sounds good, but I just want profit. I have heard of a guy who turned $1,000 into $100 million in 6 days. Can't I achieve such result in short period?
You can, but remember, trading is all about building a system. Therefore, don't imitate other people's result. Anyways, you will soon understand the market realities. Let's get to the chart. The whole concept is buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. However, there are other things we must check before taking the position. We must always take our position from the support and resistance levels and always set our stop losses properly. Look at Euro USD, it's spiking fast. I see it. Should we short?
Yes, but set a tight stop.
Wait for confirmation.
But it's moving now.
No! Stop! What the hell was that? Did you want to blow up your account?
Please forgive my bad. I thought the market wouldn't come back again.
Please learn to follow my instructions if you want to be profitable in trading.
Wow, money gives comfort. I have never been in this kind of car.
This is why you need to prioritize risk.
If you learn the game well enough, you too can get your own Lamborghini.
My one trade can buy me a Lamborghini.
But always remember to take proper risks.
I will never blow up my account again.
This soup is fantastic.
It really is. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Cheers to that.
Cheers!
Very soon, your mentor is going to free you to start analyzing the chart. How you will make the money is all to you.
I know he has handed me the best setups in the world. I will utilize them for my benefit.
More to that, I just handed 10% of the requirement, 90% is you. Trading is 90% psychology and 10% technical.
I will make myself a huge money today.
No! I have lost money again! Why did it reverse?
Is Forex a scam? They said people get rich quick. Why is my own story the opposite?
You didn't follow the plan.
But I wanted to recover fast.
That's exactly why you're losing. Forex is not a scam, but it's also not a get-rich-quick game. This industry rewards 3 things: patience, sacrifice, and consistency.
So the problem isn't Forex, it's me.
It's not you, it's impatience. You must stop chasing fast money and start building skill. Fewer trades, better entries, calm exits. Forex didn't change my life overnight. It changed my mindset first. If you're here for speed, this industry will humble you. But if you're willing to be patient, sacrifice comfort, and stay consistent, then it will reward you. This video is put together by GrindFX team. Forget the lies on the socials of making fast. Trading is beyond that. GrindFX Global, we go beyond the surface level to understand every metrics behind every move. Let's hold your hands through the rigors of becoming a successful trader. To know more about us, check the description below and click on that.